Are you waking up every morning already dreading the day ahead because you're overworked and underpaid? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online, specifically with digital marketing and an online business. So digital marketing is basically promoting, selling things online. And an online business, obviously you have an online business, buying, selling, right? Business. This is how humans make money, right? There's three fundamental ways. You can have a job, means you're an employee, which means you're working for somebody else and you're making other people rich. You're building someone else's business. The second way to make money is by being a business owner and you're making yourself rich and you can work whenever you want, wherever you want, and you have automated systems in place that allow you to make money while sleeping. Okay. And the third way is like basically investing. That's like, you're investing in stocks, real estate, things like that. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale with digital marketing and an online business. Of course, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. I'm just showing you how this works and what is possible. Okay. So I started this business after my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job because I just don't like working for other people. 80% of people don't like jobs, and I'm one of those people. Okay. So I started this business. I've made multiple five figures with this business, like thousands of dollars. And my goal is to make six figures with this business, hopefully this year, sooner the better. You know, all we can do is basically focus on our actions and be detached from the results. Okay. So this is how an online business works. This is how any business on the planet works, by the way. It's a three-step process. You have an offer, you have a system, you have a strategy. The offer is the thing you're selling, right? Okay. That could be a physical product. It can be a digital product. It can be an opportunity or a service. It can be your product or other people's products. It doesn't matter as long as it's something that is in high demand, like Apple phones, for example, right? So many businesses, they sell Apple phones and they make millions of dollars selling Apple phones, right? Because those are high demand products, products that people are actually searching for and buying. Okay. So your offer, right? Now what we sell here with this business, we sell 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry, right? So you can earn anywhere from 100 to 1,400 per sale, which is great because it's high ticket. So you only need 72 customers at the $1,400 level to make 100K. Okay. And we teach you how to attract these customers. We teach attraction marketing. Okay. And so it's digital products and you earn 100% profit. It's called master resale rights. So you get to keep all of the profits. You're not splitting your profits with anybody else. And we teach you how to do this step by step. Okay. System is the step number 2. This is what automates your business. This is what allows you to make money in your sleep. Okay. People go to your website, they buy stuff. Your website's open 24/7. Now we use a sales funnel. This is what automates our business. This is how we make money in our sleep. So people go to your link, like my link is wealthwithdan.com. If you want to learn more about this business, go here, wealthwithdan.com. People put their email in, they watch videos, and as soon as they put their email in, it triggers an automated email sequence. Okay. Email marketing. You're going to learn this stuff. You're going to learn things like email marketing, content creation, how to use AI, how to, how to like brand yourself, how to grow on social media, how to get monetized on social media, things like this. So they go to your website, they buy stuff, put their email in, go through the system. So you just want to build that list. The money's in the list. Step 3 is a strategy. Okay. So we teach you attraction marketing, which means you don't have to chase people down. Rejection free business. You never have to hear the word no. You attract people to you. Okay. So how do we attract people? Well, we use social media, right? So you can post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. That's one strategy we teach. You can also go live on social media, another strategy. You can also copy and paste free ads. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to show you how it works. Plus, I'm going to show you what the system looks like. Okay. So that's pretty much it. You have one offer you promote, you have a system that automates your business, and you have a strategy for attracting customers. Okay. So that's basically what it looks. That's how it works. That's how pretty much every business on the planet, they have some either online store or digital store where people can go and buy stuff. And you just got to drive traffic to that store so people can buy your stuff. Okay. The more stuff you sell, the more money you make, right? Every time you buy something, money goes to somebody's pocket. Every time you sell something, money goes to your pocket. Okay. Now let me share my screen and just show you how everything works. And yeah, let me get into that. So 1 second. Okay. Yeah, so let me show you this. Let me share my screen real quick. Okay. So like I said, this is a capture page. Like all you got to do is we show you how to set up the system. All you got to do is go to GoDaddy and get your own domain or wherever, GoDaddy is a good place to go. Get your domain. Like my domain is 7 Figure Monk. You get your domain and we show you how to set up these pages, how to get these pages set up. So that's basically what you do. Let me just load that real quick. So I can show you how to set up your website too. Here, let me get that loaded here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So people go here to your capture page, right? They're going to click on your link. They're going to go here. They're going to enter their email. That's how you build your email list. And then they go and they watch one of these videos. Okay, the thank you page. Now the video is basically doing the selling for you. It's doing the telling and it's explaining everything. That's what the video is for. And then it takes people to your website, which looks like this. So what is this? This is a beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. Okay. So we teach you how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways. Not only can we sell, see, we sell 5 digital programs. Not only can you resell those programs and make money, but so we teach you how to build multiple streams of income. So it's a global business opportunity, building recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing and affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, become certified in digital marketing. So these are the kind of things that we teach here. Okay. So this is basically a program for making money online. Okay. So I'll just show you what the website looks like. We have over 59,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months by reselling the program. So we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. Here's some testimonial, real stories from people inside of our community, real results. Why do people love our program? Beginner-friendly training, no experience, no problem, 2-hour workday, 2-hour a day workflow, work from anywhere, around your schedule. It's available in English and Spanish. It's a global business. So you can do this business from any part of the world. You can get customers from any part of the world. Simple steps and tools to follow, no tech overwhelm. Keep every dollar you make up to $1,400 per sale. So $1,400 per sale, you don't need a lot of sales to make a lot of money. Only 72 customers equals 100K. Learn how to attract daily paying customers. But not only that, you're not doing this alone. You get a community. There's over 60,000 people in our community. We have live events. I've been to the live events. They're amazing. So the mentors in our community are really amazing, 6 and 7 figure incrementers. And then we go to these live events, we learn, and then we just hang out afterwards like best friends and family. And we have a lot of fun. We party together even, for those that like to party. And yeah, so you get that community training, you get live mentoring in our community, you get millionaire mentoring, you get live interactive mentoring plus recorded trainings inside of our community to help you build your business. This is your bio section. You just put your picture here in your bio and you're good to go. Why is this perfect for you? You want to make extra income from home. Your 9 to 5 doesn't provide financial security. You want to work from anywhere. You need a reliable income stream. You want a flexible, family-friendly business that you can build around your schedule. You've tried other things before and you failed to see real results. Like me, I tried so many things besides side hustles before this, like mostly affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing, and I basically made no money. Okay, you want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. More stories. And we also teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and so many other tools. Okay. And this is what sets us apart. We have a certification training that you can go through. It takes about 2 hours. So you become you got to become a certified reseller of these programs. Plus you learn about digital marketing, the do's and the don'ts. And we keep 100% profit per sale because we have master resale rights. And it's a global business in English and Spanish. Okay. So this section right here, it shows you what you're going to learn. Like there's 6 phases. Phase 1, foundation, CEO mindset and clarity. Build the confidence to show up even if you're starting from zero. Create a message that actually connects and converts. Get crystal clear on your niche and who you're meant to help. Phase 2, attraction, get attention and build awareness. Simple strategies to grow on social media organically. How to create content that stops the scroll, what to post every day so you never feel stuck again. Phase 3, engagement, build trust and relationships. How to position yourself as the go-to person in your space. Simple ways to build trust without oversharing your whole life. How to turn views into conversations. Phase 4, conversion, turn engagement to income. How to turn your conversations into consistent income. A simple sales flow that works on autopilot. How to invite people to your offer with confidence. Phase 5, leveraging AI online made easy. How to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. Plug and play prompts for posts, emails, and messaging. How to create content in minutes, not hours. And phase 6, monetize, scale your business. How to build a business that keeps growing with you. Simple ways to scale what's already working. How to add additional income streams without starting over. Okay, that's what these programs teach. Okay, so we have these 5 digital programs that you have the resale rights to, so you can learn and earn from these programs, right? So example, if you start at the 1,400 level, that unlocks all of the programs. So you unlock all the information and all the income streams, right? You can start having $1,400 days if you have the $1,400 level. So you can only earn that from the level that you're at and below, right? So I recommend that one-time investment. You purchase a $1,400 product, 0 monthly fees, okay? But if you can't start there, there's also, you can start like, let's say you purchase a $100 program. That's going to give you resale rights to the program, and that's going to allow you to make $100 per sale. So, but you can only earn from the level you're at, but you can always upgrade later. Okay. And every program, like the more programs you have, the more information you have, the more trainings you have, and all that stuff, right? So that's it. No monthly fees for this business. That's the beautiful thing. And then you get all these bonuses, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, free access to our community, free millionaire mentoring. We teach you all these different bonus trainings and how to create your own community and monetize it, how to do faceless marketing, 200 digital products ideas so you can create your own product and market your own product. And that's pretty much the website. And then there's frequently asked questions as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. So to start this business, there's two things you got to do. Okay, you got to start the thing to make money, right? You you purchase the program, you set up your business, and then you promote your business, right? So start your business and promote your business, right? That's pretty much it. So once you get started, once you purchase the program, you're going to have access to all your programs here, your trainings, your bonuses, and it shows you how to set up your website, right? You got to set up these pages, which you can set up in, a few hours, 1 to 2 days, get your business set up. So it shows you how to set up the business. Like it shows you how to, what you're going to need. Oh, it's a template. It shows you what accounts you're going to need. Okay. Basically like GoDaddy system, Square, PayPal for payment processors. And then it's going to show you how to open up, how to get your own domain, a professional email address at like GoDaddy. Okay. You got to watch that. And then it's going to show you how to attach your payment gateways because that's how we get paid through our payment gateways like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. And then it just shows you how to connect your system. So you basically just watch these videos. A lot of it's just copy and pasting information pretty much. Okay. And that's how you set up your system. And then let me show you inside of our community. Okay. This is where you get the millionaire mentoring, community, training, support, inspiration. Okay. You get everything that you need is here. So, okay. Yeah. Let's see. So here's the win section, right? Now this tells you what's like the wins that people are having, right? So I'll just show you proof that people are making money just by reselling these programs based on the skills they learn. Like this isn't magic, okay? People are not magically making money. It's because they have a website and they're promoting their business and people are buying, their products, okay? So they made $100 while preparing for exams, okay? And wins another $100 sale for Rose. Let's see, $300 while at a car wash. There you go. Boom. $900 watching baseball. Okay. That's pretty cool. Woke up to $100 today. Amazing. Pretty nice. $400 during a live. Okay. $300 after my live. Okay. Yeah, there you go. First sale. So there you go. There's 30 posts per page, and we have over 36,000 pages. So there's a lot of wins. Now people post whatever they want to post, right? So, but I'm just sharing you the financial wins just so you can see proof that people are making money, right? And yeah, so once you're inside of our community, you can ask questions anytime. Just go here, introduce yourself, ask questions. Then inside of our classroom, we have all these bonus trainings, recorded mentoring calls, everything's there. Calendar shows you when we have live events. We have a free webinar coming up. You can invite people to that. Okay. Yeah. And the map that shows you where people are from. We got people from all over the world that are inside of our community. So you can see global business, you can get customers from all over the world. And that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. So, and like I said, all you got to do is start your business and promote your business. Now we teach you how to promote your business using social media and like we teach the free content. So social media, posting content, going live, posting free ads, right? So for example, this is how I post content on like YouTube, right? So I create long form videos like this. Okay. It could be anything about like it could be me promoting my business, marketing tips, mindset tips. That's pretty much it. And then I do short form videos. Okay. Again, it's just short form videos. I'm talking for a minute or less, or I put some words on the screen. That's how I do that. Then I go live on YouTube and TikTok generally. Okay. I do that as well. And yeah, that's pretty much how I post content. And then I do different posts like this. Like I do a mixture of business and a value. So value, I'm just giving people motivation, inspiration, education, things like that. And business is like I'm advertising my business to attract customers. Okay. So I do a mixture of value and business. That's pretty much a good way to do it, a mixture of value and business. Okay. That's pretty much what I've learned through my trainings And that's what I've been doing as an online marketer. Pretty effective. So here's how you post free ads. There's websites like this. You can post an ad in any location, right? For example, I'll just go here and see these programs teach people how to make money online. So anybody interested in making money, you just post like in an ad in like build wealth. You can see people are looking for ways to make money. And then here's an example of what my ad looks like. I'll just show you what one of my ad looks like. So here's my ad. You can see I just got my ad, and you can see how I have like there's my capture page. I have a link to my community, and I have a YouTube video that they can watch as well in the ad. So that's basically it. Posting ads, it takes like a minute to post one ad. So that's what we do. We post ads, we post content on social media, we attract customers. Okay. So I basically I just broke everything down for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you save this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with someone if you know people are looking for real ways to make money online. And other than that, just go to wealthwithdan.com, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions for the word blueprint. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments or reply to my emails. Okay. So thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.